just wanted to announce that my new macrame guides are out. Okay, so these guides include 6 exclusive macrame Christmas ornaments. Okay, so these projects include an angel, a gnome, a little Rudolph/reindeer, a wreath, a dragonfly, and a cute little mini Christmas tree. Now, the second guide I released is a full macrame holiday gift guide. So these are projects that I think would make wonderful gifts for your friends, your family, your coworkers, or even yourself. So in this second gift guide, there are 4 completely exclusive projects and a total of 6. Okay, so these projects include a coaster, a full-size plant hanger, a wall hanging, a mini plant hanger that you can hang on like a rear view mirror or in any other small space. And then there's also a wristlet keychain. And I think that is all of them. So I am super, super excited about all these projects and to share them with you. Okay, they are all videos. They're all organized in a table of contents so you can skip around. There are timestamps again, so you can kind of skip around in the video if you would like. Everything's also transcribed, so you can read the instructions. You can click on the text to skip around that way. And you can even change the language that you hear me speak in or the language of the closed captioning. So that's a great option for my worldwide friends out there. Okay, this is open worldwide, so anyone can buy this. The instructions are very detailed. I go step by step, so anyone of all skill levels will be able to create these beautiful and wonderful projects. So I really hope you guys check it out. I'm so, so excited and I can't wait to see all of your guys' finished projects. Thank you so, so much for your support. Bye!